In an earlier video, I solved these three linear equations, and I showed that the first one is a contradiction, the second one is identity, and the third one is conditional with x equal to 1.25. I want to go ahead and show you how we solve this using the TI-84 plus, and I'm pretty sure the TI-83 is similar to the TI-84 in this regard. So we're going to select on and then y equals. And we're going to enter in our function. So 2 times the quantity 4 minus x. That's the left-hand side of the equation. Now, on the next line, we are going to enter in the right side of the equation. And that gives us 3 minus 2x for the first equation. So we have 3 minus 2 times x. And we're going to go ahead and select graph. And what you'll notice is I have two parallel lines. They do not intersect. That means there's no solution. And so we can say that this statement is a contradiction. Now let's go back to our function list. And now the right side of the equation, we still have the same left side, but the right side now is going to be 8 minus 2x. So I'm going to graph that. And this time you see we get one line, and that is because the two sides are actually the same line. And so we say that it's an identity. They're identical. The two lines are the same. They're just written in a different form. Finally, let's go ahead and solve this one. I'm going back to my function list here. I'm going to go down to the second function. Remember, that's the right-hand side. And this time I'm going to say 3 plus 2x. I'm going to select graph. And you can see we get two lines that intersect in a point. Now you need to find that intersection. So we're going to go to the second function here, and we're going to select trace. And then we're going to go down to intersect. Now you can just enter a 5 and select that. It says first curve. You're going to say enter, second curve, enter, guess, enter. And it's going to give you the intersection point. And notice that it says x equals 1.25 and y equals 5.5. So the 1.25 is the answer that we're looking for because that is the x value. We're solving for x. The y's just represent what the function value is, but we're solving for x. And so we get that x equals 1.25. And that's how you do these linear equations with a graphing calculator. Just enter in the left side for y1, enter in the right side for y2, and then take, once you graph it, if they intersect, you know there's a solution, and you hit second trace, and then intersect, enter, 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 and you'll get 1.25.